So this is exactly how you're going to make the greatest comeback in 2024. So the truth is, you need to hit rock bottom. It is nearly 100% certain that you will hit rock bottom at a certain point. And that's the only way you're going to level up in life. There are two things you can do about it, obviously. That's cry about it and be in the exact same position as you always are. Or you can build yourself up to the person you want to be, work on your goals 24/7, dedicate your life to it, and become the best version of yourself. Just imagine yourself in a couple of years' time where you've worked on all your goals, you know, you've been dedicated, you've been motivated, you've been disciplined, you know, you've stuck to the grind. Just imagine the type of person that you'll become. So like I said, the first thing you need to do is get a piece of paper, write it down, you know, every single detail to the T, you know, everything, your physique, the money you want to be making, the cars you want to be driving, absolutely everything. It is essential. You want to be working towards this every single day, you know, you want to be asking yourself, am I working towards this person? You know, if the answer is yes, carry on, get 1% better every single day. If the answer is no, then you might need to look back and try and fix something because it's obviously not working out. So the number one thing is you got to stay dedicated to the grind. You know, you cannot get distracted. And the thing is, if you really put your mind to it, you can really achieve a lot. You know, if you believe in yourself, if you change your mindset into a positive mindset, into believing yourself, you know, develop a high ego, you know, to the point where, you know, you can really believe in yourself and really feel like you can achieve this and you really deserve this, this lifestyle that you're chasing. So if you really want to make the greatest comeback in 2024, you need to go ghost mode. You know, you've got to cut out every single distraction. You've got to cut out all the attention, all the validity, you know, absolutely everything. You just got to cut it out. And that's probably the hardest part. You know, it's the most fundamental part of your comeback, but it's going to be the hardest part. If you can really master this, you are ahead of 70% of people. You know, you are literally there. You're 78% of the way there. You know, if you cut out drinking, cut out going out, cut out partying, you know, cut out all stupid validation from people that you don't even care about. They don't even care about you. You know, get off all these apps, all these dating apps, you know, get off everything. You know, you gotta stay focused. You know, this is what you need to be. The thing is, most people seek attention. You know, they want validity, like I said. They want attention. Every single great athlete, you know, has gone ghost mode. They don't know what they're doing. They've gone ghost mode. No one knows what they're up to. They're literally on their craft, grinding day and night. 6 months later, a couple of months later, they come back to greater shape, winning all the matches, tournaments, everything, you know. And this is exactly what you need to be doing. You can achieve so much in such little time. Like I don't think you guys actually understand how much you can achieve if you really put your mind to it. You know, I want to be honest. Ghost mode isn't easy. It's extremely difficult. That's why most people can't do it. You know, it feels quick, it feels easy, it feels simple. Everyone will do it. You know, that's why it's difficult, because not many people can do it. See, I'm not blaming anyone, because you see all these multi-billion-dollar, trillion-dollar companies like TikTok, Instagram, Meta. These guys have hired so many developers, the best developers in the world, you know, the best psychologists in the world, to be able to control your mind, you know, to be able to keep you on this app. This is literally the whole business model, is to keep you on the app and gain your attention. You know, every single Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, everyone is fighting for your attention. Keep one thing in mind. Cut out most distractions. Cut out nearly all distractions. Like things like watching TV, watching sports, that's a massive distraction. Going out to even play sports at times can be a distraction, because if it's not achieving the goal that you're working towards, then what's the point of really doing it? You know, okay, going out to play once, twice a week, going out to play a couple of hours a week, fine, go do it. But realistically, you're not achieving your goal by this way. You know, if your goal is to make 10K a month and you're going out to play tennis, are you really achieving your goal? Most likely not. Is it a form of entertainment? Yes. So take it this way. You know, don't trick your brain into thinking that this is some sort of you know, that you're being productive. But like I said, you know, taking time off is important. Have a little bit of a cool down, you know, but stay on your grind, stay focused, know what your aim is. If you say you're going to do something, do it and don't quit. And mental toughness is extremely important. You know, this is why many people want to get distracted. They purposefully choose distractions such as going out, talking to people that they don't even like, social media, scrolling on TikTok, watching whatever on TV, because this literally switches off their brain, you know. Think about it. When you scroll on TikTok, do you even remember the last 3 TikToks you watched? Probably not, you know. Like I said, these psychologists are so good at gaining your attention that your brain is literally on automatic mode. You don't even realize what you're doing. You know, you're just scrolling up. The first thing is you got to be mentally strong. You got to be able to be in your own mind, have positive thoughts, don't get distracted, you know, be able to be in your own thoughts and your own company and to enjoy it. That's the most important thing, because this is why people look for distractions, because they don't enjoy their own company, they don't enjoy their own mind, they want to escape it. It's why they always want to be listening to some sort of music or watching something on TV. So while you're doing ghost mode, the most important thing is you've got to pick a skill. You know, you've got to pick 1 or 2 skills, even if that's making money. How are you going to be making money? You know, okay, I'm going to do content creation, I'm going to learn how to do copywriting, I'm going to learn how to do, it can literally be whatever. So pick 1 or 2 skills. Second skill could be literally anything. And remember, you don't need to be good at a million skills. You know, no rich, famous person is good at a million things. They're all good at one thing and they've literally mastered it. It can literally be anything. You can think of a million ways of making money, you know, but you're not going to become a millionaire by doing a million things. You're going to become a millionaire by doing one thing a million times, or 10,000 times, or the 10,000 hour where you have to do a certain skill 10,000 times. So yeah, stick to 1 or 2 skills. Get good at your craft, get good at whatever it is. You can literally be making money a million ways, you know, don't underestimate this. So yeah, if you guys are self-developing, self-improving, you know, you guys are literally like better than 9% of people. Literally like 9% of people don't even want to be doing these things, you know, that the fact that you've clicked on this video, the fact that you've gone out, been like, okay, fine, I'm going to do this and actually do it, you're already ahead of 9% of people, you know. And obviously inside of that 10%, the competition is crazy, because that's where everyone's competing. That's where people actually want to be putting in the work and putting in the effort. So think about it, you're competing against the best players, and all the good players are self-improving. So I wish you guys the best of luck, and